Hello and welcome to Lock Lab 101. Today what we're going to go over is the Lishi 2-in-1 M1 MS2 for the master lock, and I'm going to explain how this 2-in-1 pick works, and then I'm going to give a demonstration on this master lock. So this 2-in-1 pick does two things. It will pick the lock open, but it will also decode the lock. Okay, as you pick it, you can see here on the depth gauge that it will indicate these are for pins 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then here you have the depths of 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to depth 7, which is the deepest depth on a master lock key. Let's go ahead and do a demonstration. Okay, let's do this. With master lock you have to give a fair amount of tension, more than you would think. And there we go. So pin 1 is at a 4, pin 2 is a 1, pin 3 is a 5, and pin 4 is a 3. Okay. Thank you.